to game 3 of the on-season basketball series. That's quite an echo here. We are in a new gym. It is awesome. And Benny, game 2 got over 30,000 likes. That means I have to play at least 1 quarter in this game. It's going to be embarrassing. And if this video gets 50,000 likes, I'll play at least 2 quarters in game 4. I won the last game. You're the first pick. Who do you want?
Latino power!
Fernando is here. First game for Fernando. Are you good?
I'm a Mexican, man. What do you think?
You got to be good, I guess. Next pick is for me, and I want Jeff. Jeff, MVP of the last game. Gonna be MVP of this one?
Yeah, definitely.
Spidey bomb!
Oh, Spidey. Good pick. Always tears away his basketball pants, and he's on the wrong side. You're with Benny, unfortunately. But I'm going with Dustin. Dustin and Jeff on the same team for the first time. Dynamic duo.
Javi!
Oh, Javi. Very good pick. Javi is great. Gio, Fernando's friend. I cannot let him be on Fernando's team.
Brooks Robinson!
Oh, Brooks. Very good. Ankit.
Gabe!
Gabe. I almost picked Gabe right there. Hopefully Ankit will be better, even though that's not possible. Andy! Who are you today?
I'm like the 80th best player on my high school basketball team.
Adolescent Andy. Nice.
Shorts!
Oh, Shortsy. Red ones. Fireball!
Sierra!
Sierra. Very good athlete. Alondra! Uncle Sam. Last. Who's gonna win?
Team Bobby!
Who's gonna win?
Team Benny!
I want a nice, clean game.
Thank you very much, by the way, to LaSalle High School in Pasadena, California for letting us use their gym. Ref Card Shop with the tip-off. Oh, Andy fought for that one. Brooks almost got it. Gio's got it down here for Team Bobby. Takes the 3. Misses it. Rebound Fernando, #1 overall pick in this game. We're doing 4 8-minute quarters. This is the first quarter. 7.5 minutes to go. Fernando misses it, gets his own rebound, and puts it back in, makes it 2-0, Team Benny. Jeff's got it against Fernando, 2 best players here. Jeff drives the lane, misses it, gets his own rebound, puts it back up and in, yes! Tie game, 2-2. I'm gonna get in there at some point and play at least 1 full quarter.
Come on, nipples, let's go.
And if we get 50,000 likes for this video, I'll play 2 quarters in the next one. Gio almost stole that. A little under 6 minutes to go. 3-pointer from Andy. No, overshoots it. Rebound, Javi. Pushing it up the court. Benny's tired. And Javi takes it all the way and makes it 4-2, Benny. Fernando, the long pass to Javi, who gives it to Brooks, who makes it 6-2, Benny. This reminded me of the first game where we played pretty ugly, but Spidey cleans that one up.
Why is he so tall? Is that legal in this sport?
8-2, Benny. Sorry if the loud buzzing is annoying of the lights. 3-pointer! Yes! Needed that so bad. 8-5 now.
10 points to Gryffindor.
Card Shop has a broken rib, by the way, and he's doing his best to be a ref here, but he's not all that mobile. Low scoring first quarter so far. It's 8-5. I'm losing. Oh, please, Andy. Yes, 8-7 now.
I got 2 points in. Susie Picklefoot still won't make out with me.
30 seconds left in the first quarter. I'm down 8-7. Gio. Oh, yeah, I've got the lead. 9-8. Bobby with 20 seconds left in the quarter. Pass it to Javi, who gives it to Brooks for 3. Misses it. Rebound, Spidey. Oh, misses it. 2 seconds left. Go. Throw it. And no, it hit a light. Darn. Maybe that'll shut them up. Kind of noisy lights. End of first quarter. Team Bobby is up 9-8.
I can be a presence in the paint.
Brooks now driving down. Gives it to Fernando, who makes it 10-9, Benny. And for 3. No, gives it to Gio, who misses it. Darn. Ankit to Dustin for 3. That's in. Yes!
Hey, Korea! Hey, Korea!
Beautiful. 12-10. Benny for 3. No, missed it badly. Jeff, go, man, go. Go, go, go. And and oh, he took it all the way. Nice.
Beautiful textbook.
14-10, Bobby. Fernando going all the way now and makes it 14-12. 6 minutes to go in the second quarter. Gio dribbles past Brooks, kicks it out to Jeff, who's double teamed, gives it to Dustin, dribbles past Gabe and makes it, yes. 16-12, Bobby. Spidey coming in for Shortsy, who didn't do anything in those few minutes except not hustle. Javi with it, makes it. Javi's a very good player. 16-14 now, I'm only up by 2.
Big baller brand. Big baller brand.
Oh, Jeff's open for 3. New air ball, but yes, the save by Andy. Kicks it back out to Jeff. Gives it to Fireball, who's in there now and makes it. Fireball buries it. 18-14 now, my lead. Fireball has eyes, by the way. He doesn't always wear sunglasses. He also has hair, blonde hair. Shocking, I know, to many of you who watch him in the softball videos. Javi! Oh, a little long on that one.
Call me Jack Black, because I got Tenacious D.
Brooks getting back on defense. Gio, oh, goes right past his friend, and might have been traveling, not sure, but oh my gosh, we can't make a shot. These rebounds aren't good for anything if we can't make any of the putbacks. Javi's gonna make that. No, he's not, but Fernando made it. 18-16. Spidey's shorts are kind of amazing. Great color scheme there. I gotta get me some of those. Jeff now. Oh, good screen from Gio. Now Dustin for 3. Misses it and out of bounds. Fernando for 3. Misses it. Rebound. Gio, nice. Oh, watch out. Watch out, they're triple teaming him. Get it out of there. Okay, front court, 2-on kit, and fireball. Oh, no. 38 seconds left in the first half. I'm up by 2. That's Javi for 3. Misses it, gets his own rebound. Gives it to Fernando, gives it to Brooks, who makes it. Tie game, 18-18 with 24 seconds left. Holding for the last shot, as always, or maybe I'm just tricking them by saying that out loud, like I did last time at the end of the half. 14 seconds. Jeff dribbling past, now going back out. 8, 7, 6, 5, Dustin. And that's the end of the first half. Tie game, 18-18.
Do you have the Curry 4s in blue?
I don't know what you're talking about,
Are
son.
we at Foot Locker? Aren't you?
Ref, call a foul, man.
No. This is Jeff's. This is where he gets his powers.
And for our halftime entertainment, Regina is going to try to make a free throw to win a $500 Amazon gift card. Go for it, Regina. Free throw. Here we go for 500 bucks. Oh, good try, Regina.
You suck.
Second half begins with Javi inbounding the ball to Spidey. 18-18 tie, 7:54 left. Spidey doesn't usually dribble the ball this much, usually just down low waiting. Javi's got it, out of bounds. Spidey with the rebound, almost loses it. Gives it to Brooks, who gives it to Sierra, who makes it! Her first 2 points.
What?
Sierra on her first shot of the game to give Benny the lead, 20-18. And now Gio takes it up to the front court, gives it to Dustin, who's somehow alone for 3. No, but the rebound, Jeff, who makes it, yes, tie game again, 20-20. You may have noticed I still haven't got in there, but I will get in there to play at least 8 minutes, guaranteed. Gives it back to Dustin for 3. No, rebound Spidey. Oh, Alondra, give it to Gio. Nice. Jeff now gives it to Gio, who does it himself. No, but misses, but gets his own rebound. Kicks it out to Dustin. He's got to make that one. Yes! Beautiful shot, 3-pointer, 23-20. Team Bobby. It's an exciting game, close the whole way, except for early on when Benny was up 8-2, I believe it was. For 3, Fernando banks it in. Not sure if that was intentional, but tie game, 23-23. Great start here to the second half. Dustin now gives it to Gio for 3. No, rebound. Oh, what she should have got. Alondra, you got to get that ball. Okay, that was odd. She let it go out of bounds. Fernando now might take over the game. 5 straight points from Fernando, and it's 25-23. He gives it to Spidey. It was a give and go. Didn't get the ball back to him properly though. Stolen by Gio. Drives right past Sierra. And, whoa, hard foul.
That's a lot of meat falling on the ground. What is this, a slaughterhouse?
Shooting foul, 2 free throws. Sierra helps him up, but he's still not ready to get out. There we go, he's okay, he's fine, he's fine. Gio at the line, first free throw, misses it. Second free throw, misses it, but the rebound by Dustin, who immediately goes out for a 3. Oh no, Team Benny ball. Andy's in the game now, and so is Onkit. Fireball and Alondra are out. 25-23 Benny, 4 minutes left in the third quarter. Andy on Fernando, goes right through his legs and makes it, wow!
Do something, homie.
That was fun right there. We've been missing that in these games. Fernando was awesome, he scored 7 unanswered points. 20, oh no, and then Jeff loses it. Brooks steals it from him. Thought about the long pass, slows it down, gives it to Benny. On Kit, on Benny. Sierra for 3! No! I think her feet were behind the line, hard to tell. That was one of the lowest trajectories on a three-pointer you'll ever see. Please, Dustin. Okay. And gives it to Jeff. Oh, bumped hard. And Dustin for 3! Yes! Oh, that was huge. That was huge. 27-26, 1-point game. 3 minutes. 13 seconds left in the third quarter. Brooks, no, rebound, Gio. And Brooks trying to steal it from him. Good defense, strong defense. Stayed in bounds barely for 3. No, rebound Jeff though. Hasn't been too much of a factor in this game, but he heard that, so now he's becoming a factor. Gives me the lead, 28-27. Rebound, Jeff. Go, man. Go, go, go. Push it, push it. And oh, he's got that. Oh, the left hand. Yes. Okay, he did not like that I said he was a non-factor in this game. He didn't like that at all. 30-27. Bobby. Fernando. Oh, blocked. I mean, to Fernando. Spidey makes it. No, 1-point game. 30-29. Jeff, long pass to Fireball. He shoots it. Makes it. Swish. Fireball's got that touch. That was only a 2-pointer, 32-29. 3-point lead for Team Bobby. Fernando passes it to Benny for 3. Misses it. Andy with the rebound. That would have tied up the game. 28 seconds left in the third quarter. We're holding on to a 3-point lead. Sierra with intense defense. Holding down L2 or R2. I'm trying to remember from NBA 2K18. Gives it to Dustin, who's gonna make, oh, gives right to, oh, blocked by Fernando. Out of bounds, our ball. 8 seconds left in the quarter. 3, Jeff. No, in and out, but Onkit. Gives it to Fireball. Misses it. 1 second, that's it. Third quarter ends. 32-29 Bobby. Now I'm playing the entire fourth quarter. I'm about to enter the game and check out the special shoes I have. PlayStation logo on them. I'm gonna make a 3 right away.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Fireball. I'm here with Sierra. Sierra, we're gonna take the folks home here in this last period. Robert is into the game. It's Team Benny versus Team Robert. It's very exciting.
Oh yes.
Friendship, I wish I had that.
Here we go. Jeff has the ball. He inbounds the ball for Team Robert. Let's see what he does, Sierra. Oh, he dishes off to Bobby. Bobby for 3 from downtown. Robert hits it. Robert did it.
Nice.
Kazam.
What the?
What did you think of that Fireball?
That was unbelievable. Here's a 3-pointer by Javi, or Gabe. And Gio has the ball now. He's dribbling it down, and he throws it off to Onkit. To Air Korea for 3, no! Fernando for 3, no good. Spidey puts it up, no! Air Korea for 3, no good, air ball. Fernando with the rebound. Onkit tried to get the ball, he's unsuccessful. Fernando all the way. No. Rebound. Oh, he gets his own rebound. Spidey throws it up and throws it in. 35-31, Robert.
Close game.
Very close game, Sierra. Javi with the ball. Ooh, might pass the ball here. Oh, maybe not, maybe not.
My team scored it.
Yes, congratulations, Sierra. It's 35-33, Team Robert. Robert is the only player in the history of basketball to wear a sweater. 4 minutes, 5 seconds left. 35-33, Team Robert. Javi with the ball for Team Benny. He drives it into the post. Oh, he makes a nice fake, lays it up. Is no good. Spidey gets the rebound and throws it in.
It's a tie game.
35-35. It's all tied up, ladies and gentlemen. And Andrew has the ball. That's a scary, scary situation when he gets the ball. Jeffrey has it. Yes, very interesting, Sierra. Very interesting. Now Jeff has the ball. Jeffrey, as I like to call him. Robert is in his way a little bit. Jeffrey drives the lane. Oh my God, that man is golden. To Fernando. Fernando dishes off to Benny from 3. No good. Oh my God, Robert is wide open at the end of the court. He throws it in. Nice job by Robert Crosby. Everybody's proud of him. Andy gets the rebound. It is 39-35. Team Robert. Jeffrey drives the lane. It's no good. It's no good, and Javi has the rebound. He dishes off to Fernando, who has an easy layup but misses. He misses 2 easy layups. That is very surprising. Gabe gets the rebound to Fernando, to Javi. He dishes off to Spidey, but Spidey can't handle that. Jeffrey with the ball. He gives it to Robert. Robert gets another. He makes another basket.
Pick up, Bobby. Points.
Unbelievable.
Wow, Bobby
The man is on.
fire.
He's on fire, Sierra. It's unbelievable, and he has a lead of 41-35 over Team Benny, and Fernando has the ball currently. He throws it up, can't throw it in. Jeffrey with the rebound. Oh my God, Robert is wide open again. Oh, somebody needs to guard that man. He is on fire. Oh, there's a pass across the court, and Spidey lays it up, and it's 43-37. No good. Fernando with the rebound. He throws it off to a wide open Javi, who lays it up and in. And the score is 43-39 with 18 seconds left. Justin to Robert. Oh, and I don't think he got that off. And Team Robert has won 43-39. An unbelievable victory, Sierra.
That was a great
Your
game,
thoughts?
Fireball. You know what?
It was a great game.
Bobby did a great job.
Bobby
Way
is
better than me.
low-key good.
Yeah,
He is
did.
as good as really anybody in the NBA. I mean,
Team Bobby wins. We're up 2 games to 1 in the season series. The player of the game is Jeff. He might have had a triple-double. It was pretty close. We'll put the stats up on the screen. Amazing game by Jeff. Hit the like button. If we get 50,000 likes for this video, I'll play 2 quarters.